Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to convert from int data type to float data type in Python. So let's get started. So I will be showing you two methods how you can convert from int to float data type. So first let me declare a integer variable. Okay, so let I equal to 5 be my, let's just say integer variable in Python. So if I just go over here and do print type of I, okay, so we just save it and I just write now, I'll be getting this of the type class int. So the first method is like direct typecasting by using the inbuilt float function. Okay, so it's going to be I equal to float of I. That's it. So we're just converting our integer I into float by using this inbuilt float function, and we're just storing it I itself, just so it just gets overwritten. So if I just save it, and here also I'm just printing the type of I. So if I just write now, I'm getting class float. So if I just go and now just print the value of I, okay, saving it and if I just print it. So I'm getting 5.0. Okay, so 5 has been converted to float data type and it's become 5.0. So that's fine, that works good over here. And if I just go over here and if I just put I equal to 5 plus 0.0, okay, I'm just saving it. So this will also obviously give 5.0 in the output. But the catch over is that by doing this way, we have just converted our integer I into float data type. So if I just go over here and put type of, let's say, our I, and let's run it. So as you can see here, I'm getting class float, but I haven't used here any inbuilt function like the previous way I used float, right? So here I'm just putting plus 0.0, which makes our integer I into float I. So these are some of the two ways that you can do it. So I hope you have found this video useful. I also run many other programming videos in Python, C, C++, Java, as well as 3D Machine Blender. So do check out the rest of my channel, subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.